My mama know I'm selling dope. I'm getting this paper. My mama know I'm selling dope. Just cook this cake up. My mama know I'm selling dope. I'm on the corner. My mama know I'm selling dope. I serve my neighbor. My mama know I'm selling dope. I'm getting this paper. My mama know I'm selling dope. Just cook this cake up. My mama know I'm selling dope.
Wrapping up the package, drug traffic. She say she needed a weasel. I told that bitch I got it. Got my first sack off that hole, then I served 10 more, now I supply it. Ice my neck out like when I step out, mom wanna know just how I'm riding. Cause I sell dope, I smoke dope. Just rolled up my caddy, mustard and mayonnaise on gold spokes. Pass that thrax to the back and I laugh as I watch these hoes choke. On that OG kush, but she like to play with her nose though. M30s, sipping dirty, sandbars in my white cup. Shit pounds, super loud, dope sex, stay mic'd up, bitch. I'm getting this paper, I'm on the corner. I serve my neighbor, he's smoking boulders.
I'm on the corner, my mama know I'm selling dope. I serve my neighbor, my mama know I'm selling dope. I'm getting this paper, my mama know I'm selling dope. Just cook this cake up, my mama know I'm selling dope. I'm on the corner, my mama know I'm selling dope. I serve my neighbor, my mama know I'm selling dope. I'm getting this paper, my mama know I'm selling dope. Just cook this cake up, my mama know I'm selling dope.
Wrapping up the
I just fucking love that smell.
Young Savage, why you trapping so hard? Why do you niggas capping